take a look at this 1950 Ford Club Coupe here at Unique, especially in classics. A little street rod going on. Bright garnet red exterior. Newer paint. Garnet and white interior to highlight this beautiful exterior. 350 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact, as we take a look at the bright work. Chrome bumper. As you can see, Frenched in headlights. Paint has a nice reflection, nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through it. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll have this car pictured from every angle, interior, exterior, under the hood. Undersides, riding on steel wheels. Ford wheel covers, white wall radials. Take a look down the passenger side here. See, the panels are nice and straight, and again, reflection in that paint. Did notice there is a little blemish right here. I don't even know if you can pick it up. There it is. Shaved door handles. Does have a key fob and door poppers. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. I'm going to use those, show you how it works. Good shot of this car from the rear to the front. There you go. Gives you a nice look down that passenger side. Frenched in taillights. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Also, take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Dual exhaust. And again, nice shine to that paint. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Something I want to tell you about the still pictures. We haven't lowered some of the still pictures. This is airbags, front and rear. Onboard compressor. For the video here, I kind of have it riding a little more at ride height. And I'll play around with that, show you how it works. Maybe after I start it up, let you hear it run. We'll put it down in the weeds, so to speak, as the hot rodders would say. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. Rear to the front. I'm going to pop this door while I'm at it too. Just going to get in and start it up. So that was the key fob I have in my pocket. This car does have skirts that come with it. They've been freshly painted. We have not installed them, not going to install them on the car. They will go with the vehicle though. You can see those in the still pictures. All right, door panels. Garnet and white combination, as well as interior seating surfaces. We do have a little tear right here. Point out, headliner, you do have the sun visors and headliner looking good. All right, air ride. We're gonna turn the compressor on. There you can hear it run. If I wanted to raise or lower the front, it is back raises it, forward lowers it. So we're gonna raise that up. This is the rear one. You can really see that. Same thing. When you raise it or let the air out and lower it. Turn that compressor back off for now. Not a push button start. We have the key. And it's just like a regular ignition. And then an aftermarket set of gauges here in the center. So oil pressure, you can see, came up. Was a cold start, so I won't expect temperature to be up. Battery down in the end is working. And then fuel gauge. And as you can see, also tap. Again, 350 V8 power, automatic transmission. Door closes nicely. Slip around the back. This is where we're on. I'll cheat and reach in and use the handle. We're going to do this. Change the stance of that a little bit. Maybe at a car show, want to set her down low. There it is. We slip up to the front. pop this hood open and check out the engine bay. And then remember, at the end of the video, be a little driving video of this, so you kind of take a virtual ride, see what it's like going down the road. All right, hood open. So, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, HEI ignition. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Good sounding car, smooth runner. Looking for a nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have a little fun with it. 1950 Ford Club Coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1950 Ford Club Coupe. This car has a radio in its glove box. And that works well. We have a set of gauges mounted in the dash, aftermarket gauges. There is a blinker that is aftermarket mounted to the column that does not light up to show that it is working. Our oil pressure gauge is working. As we're headed down the road, that is 50 psi of oil pressure. Temperature gauge is 190. Fuel gauge is between 1/4 and E. And our battery gauge is charging over 14 volts. That's good. Speedometer does not work on this Ford. This is an automatic right here on the floor with a long shifting lever. For ease of reach, we do have an aftermarket tachometer also mounted to the bottom of the dash. As we go down the road, letting go of the wheel, this car stays where you put it. It's not pulling to either side. A little bit of play in the steering, as is expected with some of these older vehicles. This car is air ride, but it does ride pretty well on the road. Corner's good. The air ride helps it not lean as much in the corner as it might otherwise. Acceleration is good. Final bench seat in this car is comfortable. The interior looks nice. Paint also looking good. We have a vintage heater box under the dash. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this 1950 Ford Club Coupe at UniqueClassicCars.com.